YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to unbox this or show you guys a full tutorial on how to change your watch band length and change the battery for your CASIO watch. This is the Diver series. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. So in case you missed my unbox or review, I will try to include a link that is going to show within the description. Okay, so this is the watch that we're going to work on today. As you can see, it is brand new. So the link for me is too big. So I'm going to remove all the links and then adjust it smaller. Hopefully it's going to fit. So let's go ahead and then get this started. So you need a special tool with this pointy needle. The reason you need this, make sure it is a sturdy one, okay, not a flimsy kind. You will need to push this, use this tool to push this in and outward, okay? Try to get this close to you guys. So you need to get that tool to push this in and push outward at the same time, so you get that pin out on both sides, okay? So let's take it out first. I believe I need to take out all the way. I mean, up to here. There's different adjustment right here, the different lengths. So you gotta actually measure on your wrist and find out, because since mine is pretty small, so I gotta take out lots of links. So make sure you have some kind of hard cardboard on the bottom, so you push it against it. You don't want to push it on the carpet and then you don't have enough force. So just there you go. Okay, so as you can see, it is protruding already. Try to, I don't want to use a plier. See, okay, so it's coming out. I believe I need to go get the plier. It's not gonna come out right. This way is better view for you guys. Jeez. So yeah, I need to get the pliers since this one is so tight after you get it out. Alright, so I got my pointy nose plier right here, so I'm just gonna grab it and hopefully I can just push out right away. Okay, there you go. And this is the piece. So I gotta remove the plastic because the plastic is taping it down. Okay. So I'll give you a better idea. So this is tricky, okay? You gotta see, once you unlock, take out the pin, you could it's unlocked like this, but you gotta go in through that the thin bar in order to take it out. There you go. That thin right there. It's pretty thin. And to put it back in, just do the same thing. Make sure it goes in first, and then you push in. Okay, there's you see those two prongs? Okay, make sure you push through, okay? And that will lock into the position, just like that. Oh, there's a gear right there. You see that thing right there? On the corner, that's where you go through those, there's like a groove sticking out right there on both sides, okay? So I gotta make sure you insert in slowly, and then that's it. Don't force it. Now I'm gonna take it out, and then do the same thing on the other side. Be sure not to lose this pin. So while I got my watch open right now, I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial on how to remove your back cover for the watch. You will need a special tool like this that you can loosen this up and then adjust to your size. Oh, I'm glad this one is big enough. If you have a bigger one, it might not gonna work for you. This one is a 44 millimeter size. Okay, so all you do is just match this pin to the back of the casing right there, or the cover. So let's match it real quick. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. So loosen up this nut and just measure like this, and be sure to fit in tight. And then just tighten it, and then now you can open it up counterclockwise. Oh, there you go. So make sure you do it slowly. You don't want to scratch your watch, okay? And now you can unscrew with your fingers. You want to be sure no dust gonna go in there either, okay? And now you should be able to pop this out. Come on. All right, there you go. This cover. And then there is your battery for the watch. I think I'm looking upside down. What the heck? So the watch battery is CR1616. I'm trying to see if I can remove that sticker, but let's see. Gotta be careful though, okay? Don't want to ruin anything. This is electronic parts in here. Very sensitive. Make sure the watch doesn't lift up, okay? I mean the gut. So there you go, okay? You need like a flat head, very thin flat head screw or the pin needle. I'm gonna have to turn on the flash to show you guys better view. Yeah, right there. Make sure you yank the clip out from there. Right there in the middle, right there, okay? And then to unclip it, and then you could remove the battery. It seems like it is a Panasonic battery. Let me go get my pin. Let me go get my flathead screwdriver to get it out. So let me go get it. So here's my very fine, well, not really very fine, but hopefully it's enough. So while I was trying to pry out this battery, it seems like there are two batteries, okay? You pry this out. This is not the watch battery. This is actually the LED light. This is the battery for the LED, the light bulb, okay? The watch battery is this one right here. Let me rotate it. This one is the Maxwell. So once you remove the LED battery, you could just pop this one with your flathead screw and then to change it, okay? Now let's figure out how to remove this one. So yeah, when I try to yank it out from the top, I can't feel any clip. So you will need to unclip it from the bottom side, okay? So here is a clip. It says push over here. Let's see. Okay, I finally figured it out. You gotta push this down and then press the battery down and then try to yank this out at the same time. And there you go, okay? And now you can remove the battery now. Jeez, I was having so much shot. Oh, there you go, it's automatic pop out. So this is how you remove this watch battery and then your LED batteries, okay? So this one is for the LED light bulb for your watch. This one is a CR1616 3 volt. Made in Indonesia. And then this is your watch battery right here. This is by Maxwell. And this is Japan. So that's how you adjust your watch link and then change two of your batteries for the LED and then for your watch for this CASIO diver style series. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and like today's video. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media and drop in the comments down below. And be sure to hit that bell for the notification and hit that sub. Before you put this back, you gotta make sure the gasket, this rubber gasket, is sitting down correctly. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's not sitting down properly. If you don't put this in correctly, your watch will not be water resist. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. All right, like always, peace.